Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com, Bitcoin, and how we're having some bullish moves, guys. It's pretty exciting. I also want to talk about some potential mass adoption for crypto, and I want to show you what that looks like. But guys, we are almost at 7,000 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and at 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded line NFT to the Crow fam. All you gotta do is be subscribed, retweet this tweet over on our Twitter, and if you are a YouTube member, you get plus 10 additional entries each month to winning this load line. So guys, let's hop into this. So right now, Bitcoin is consolidating, guys. We're above $23,000. I love to see that. Ethereum's up. Everything is really up. There's a little bit of money flowing back into the stable coins, but that's not really a big deal. We're consolidating. We're still above 23,000. I'm confident. It is the weekend. Very, very curious to see the price action come on Monday. But I think that we're going to have kind of a quiet rest of the weekend, to be honest. I think we're going to have lots of consolidation between the $22,000 and $23,000 range on Bitcoin. We could be shaking out if something drastic happens, but I don't really see that happening in the next coming day or so. We are leading into the Federal Reserve meeting with Jerome Powell on February 1st, so that's something to keep our eyes open on, and I think that that's kind of when we'll have a bigger move. So I want to talk about this chart right here, the Bitcoin rainbow chart. I love looking at this chart, guys. So we just broke out of the bottom of basically a fire sale, and yes, they do kind of adjust this chart pretty frequently. It's in the buy territory, but I honestly think that we should be just breaking into this buy territory. Some of these rainbow charts are different. They all say the same thing, but they are different when it comes to nominal value. But guys, we're going to come up to this orange line. I really believe that. I mean, I think that this orange line is kind of a given coming after the Bitcoin halvening here. And we're getting closer and closer. We're starting to actually have this move to the upside leading to the Bitcoin halvening. And I have a better chart of this on TradingView, but I just want to kind of look at what other people are thinking about on this rainbow chart. Because right now it says we're in the buy territory, but I think that honestly we should be probably still in basically a fire sale. Anything in the 20K range, anything under 25,000, I believe is about that. But guys, we are getting a lot of very interesting things happening right now. Lots of mass adoption, really. I'll say it how I see it. I retweeted this the other day. I posted this app called Dialect. And I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but this is an app basically. The description is Dialect, interactive mobile messaging and notifications. Join the waitlist for early access and chance to mint a new kind of NFT. You know, it's a app that is connected to a wallet where you can send messages to people, where you get notifications on your phone, you can send NFTs, you can interact with different dApps on different blockchains. It's very, very, very interesting. This is what mass adoption looks like, guys. If you guys want to try this out, you should go over to my Twitter at Blacksea, 333 Blacksea, and click this and sign up, and you can get a chance at joining their beta. I just got access, and I've been playing around with it, and guys, this is what mass adoption looks like. This is what mass adoption looks like, because being able to have easy operability off of mobile phones is how you get the masses to get involved in crypto and blockchain. And I'm just super excited, and this stuff is all happening in a bear market. And this is kind of how it usually goes. This starts happening in the bear market, then come the bull run is when it takes off, and the mass adoption really gets enveloped by crypto, or I should say the other way around. Crypto gets enveloped by mass adoption. But let's look over at CROcoin, guys. So right now we are consolidating to the upside right now, and we are trading sideways, guys. Honestly, I love to see this. We broke out to the upside barely on this. I might have to draw a new triangle here, but we broke down on the previous one. But guys, we are looking good. We're halfway through the channel of about 0.0682 cents and 9 cents, 10 cents. Guys, we're looking good here. We're looking really good here. I'm bullish. I think we're probably going to do this for until Monday. Honestly, we'll probably be just consolidating, because I think that we're going to have a quiet weekend here. Yeah, guys, great time to be accumulating. In this channel right here between the 10 cents and 5.5 cents, great time to be accumulating Crow. I mean, when you zoom out, you really see where we're at. Fair value at about 12 to 16 cents. And honestly, since it's been so long since we've been there, the time you have to put in consideration the time. We should be fair value at about the 19-20 cent range, especially when Bitcoin gets to about 30K. I mean, once Bitcoin gets above 30K to 40K, our next stop is definitely the 50 cent range. So I'm very, very excited. And 50 cents, guys, that's a 5x from here. It's a 5x from here. That's pretty ridiculous. That's why I think right now is a great time to be buying. I'm taking all my interest I get from my staking of my CRO coin, and I'm just reinvesting into CRO and just staking more and more and more. My bags are pretty packed, not gonna lie, but when I see some dips, I always buy. I bought down here when FTX tanked CRO coin for no reason at all. But guys, we beat that FUD, and we're coming out stronger than ever. So let's look over at Bitcoin a little bit. Guys, I just love looking at this chart. This is the daily chart on Bitcoin. This line right here is at 19,500, guys. We are getting those daily candle closes above it. And I've been saying, we need to see these weekly and daily candle closes above 19,500 for me to continue being bullish. But now we're getting those daily candle closes above 21,000, and that's kind of my next target here. As long as we're getting weekly candle closes above 21,000, I think we're off to the races, really. I think that the next stop is going to be about the 30K mark, and the weekly candle closes in a day in 6 hours. If we get above 21,600, as long as we get above 19,500 and we close above on this weekly candle of 21,500 to $600 range, I think we're off to the races to about the 25K to the 30K as long as we get these weekly candle closes. And we're getting closer and closer to that, and we're looking really good consolidating above the $23,000 mark. We'd have to take a big capitulation down to get below the 21,600. So I'm really bullish, guys. I'm really bullish. And, we look over on the S&P 500. We broke above this dastard. This trend line is just... We've been fighting it for a year, guys. We've been fighting it for a year, and, we're finally getting a breakout here. And let's just hope it's not a fake out, but it could be. I do have my concerns about it being a fake out, that we come back down. But February 1st, I think a lot will align with that. What Jerome Powell says is kind of what's going to make or break this year. Are we going to continue the upside? Probably, if he says like a 0.25 basis rate point hike or a 0.5 even. But I was talking with Crypto Kip, and I do tend to agree that 0.5 basis rate point hike is kind of bearish a little bit. I think we'll probably get sideways or even to the downside if a 0.5 is announced. But we need some dovish talk, and if there is just the slightest amount of dovish talk, we're definitely going to rip, and that's going to be super bullish for risk on assets, guys. Guys, if you like this content, please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. And also, please consider becoming a member because it helps us out a lot. And we have cool loyalty badges, lots of perks for our members. So on every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, we do a live stream, and you'll have these loyalty badges next to your name, as well as you get these custom emojis and private Discord. CryptoKip and I just came out with a private Discord where we give away NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways. There are trading signals and a more one-on-one community with CryptoKip and I where we'll be able to talk with you. And we'll set up Discord calls. It's pretty exciting. I really like to create this tight-knit community. And on top of that, if you are a member, you get 10 additional entries to this loaded lion each month you are a member. So very, very good advantage to winning this loaded lion if you become a member. But that's all I got for you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.